So today I'm making a miniature Oreo cake that is going to be leprechaun size because I wanted to give it to my daughter and tell her it was from a leprechaun. I'm trying to layer on the frosting super thick so that it's easier to spread around. I saw someone else try to make miniature cakes out of Oreos and they turned out super cute. And mine, it was a lot harder than I thought it would be. They made it look so easy to smooth out the frosting, but it's actually really hard. I am not a professional and I thought I could do this the first try. And they make it look so easy in videos online, but it is not. I will say though, my rope border on top didn't look too bad. Now this is where I really messed up is all the piping on the side. I probably should have scraped it off, but oh well. Now I'm making a rainbow fondant topper to distract from the awful piping on the sides that I've done. Hopefully that will make it look a little bit cuter. And this is how it turned out. It's all right.